One module we have in ARCS is called Community, and this is a forum that can be used. So you'll see over here we have a featured poll, and what you're able to do is go into the poll. All featured polls are on the right. If there's a questionnaire with it, you could actually go into the questionnaire and take it. Your forum will stay open until the date that's closed. So if you come back in, you can't take the questionnaire again, but you do have the ability to see the information that's been written underneath. So people could create posts and other people can actually come in, read them, reply to them, like them. It's more interactive. The communities are done as community data collection studies. So who is seeing this? Unlike the quick poll where everybody who logs into the portal sees this, with the community, it is kept very small. So it's only the people that you invite to it will be able to see this when they log into their portal. So let me tell you how we go about doing this. I'm going to minimize this. Now we're going into ARCS. We're going to create a study. And as I said before, it is actually a community data collection study. And I'm just going to call this one Community Demo. Ooh, I could spell really well today. Video community. Okay. You could fill in the product for test just like in a regular study, but it's not necessary. So now I'm going to come down to the bottom right and click Save. So what we have here are what we call community data collection categories. So you come with some built in by us. If you don't want them, you could remove them and you could create your own. When you are doing a community data collection, you do need to have a category selected. So for this one, I'm just going to do usability. Unlike with our regular studies where you're going to the bottom right, for this part of the community data collection, you're coming to the top and you're going to click your next button up here. So now you have an ability to create the title of your post. Okay, you can add an image. And then you could put in what you want information about. Oops. So down here you have different options. One of them is the featured community. And again, what the featured community is going to do, it's going to keep this featured poll over here on the right-hand side. So it could be a featured community study. You can enable text if you have the subscription to it, or if you don't want the questionnaire to show at all. And as you know, because you've created questionnaires in ARCS or studies in ARCS before, every study in ARCS has to have a questionnaire. If you use this hide poll, what that allows you to do is hide the questionnaire. So it's truly just a forum with you going back and forth. So now again, I'm going to go up to the top right and click Next. If you used our wizard, this looks a little familiar. I'm going to make the start date now. I'm going to change the end date to the 24th. And then I'm going to choose my questionnaire. So now I can't go forwards next. So I'm going to come back down to the bottom right and I'm going to click my save icon. Now this screen will look familiar to you. So we have our parameters, we have the name of the study, we have our study dates, we have our questionnaire, and we can assign our participants. Just want to come back in here to define study parameters. This is just adding the study name. If we wanted to call it something else, we could call it something else, and this will show it to the panelists. I'm going to click Save. Now, again, as I said before, only the people who you're assigning to this study are going to see that in their portal, unlike a quick poll, which shows everything. This is only going to show it to the people who actually are assigned to it. Okay, I'm just going to save this, and now I'm going to activate this study. Okay, it's successful. I'm good to go now in a second. Ferris wheel stops going around. Okay. And now I'm going to go into my portal again. I'm going to press home so it refreshes. Now you can see I have under a featured poll, how do I feel about yellow fruit? And now I can go to the poll and I can create a new post saying, and I could put down why bananas are my favorite yellow fruit. So somebody else could come in and they could like it. I could like it. I could come in, I could edit it. Again, you'll be able to see it if you log in and put more information down here. So let me just go to the home so you can see this as well. So we did that under usability. So if for some reason somebody didn't see this feature poll, they could still come here and they can see this and follow this. One other thing just to let you know about, when you go to using the community, is you do have a wall. People could follow you. You could put information in. Others can create posts under you. So it gives you another aspect. If you go into my profile, again, you're not going to see this. Well, you can see parts of this. So you have the ability to see this. Your panelists are going to see this. They're going to be able to check out their wall and see this information as well. If you have any questions regarding this, please reach out to our team and let us know. Thanks.